Tonight we're going to showcase Brave browser and how it supports Shielded Zcash, and we're also going to use near intents to swap some Ethereum to our Brave wallet and then from our Brave wallet into our mobile wallet. So let's do it. We're going to go to near intents. We're going to load into our portfolio of our Brave wallet, sign in, click on Brave wallet. I'm going to do my account 1. Connect, check compatibility. Okay. All right. And the first step is we're going to deposit Ethereum. Go to deposit. This is Ethereum on the Ethereum network. We're going to let's do half of the Ethereum that I have in my account. $27 worth, deposit, switch, confirm. All right, looks like it's completed. So now we can go to our account. Notice that we have the Ethereum. There we go. And what I'm going to do, we're going to swap into Zcash. Okay. So we're going to max that. I'm going to get 16th of Zec. Confirm price. We're going to swap that as soon as possible. Success. Go back to our account. Refresh. And now we're going to withdraw the max, and we need a wallet address. So this is where we're going to use Brave. We're going to go into our Zcash account. Whoops. We're going to right click, deposit. Oops. Continue. Transparent. Plug that baby in here. Withdraw. Sign the transaction. And let's let this work. So the amount is 0.1599, and we will look for this transaction in the mempool here to make sure it's working properly. Yes, there it is. 0.1599 on our Brave wallet. So the last step here is we need to shield it, right? So how do we do that? Send. Continue, choose recipient, and notice how it gives you an option to shield it. We're going to go ahead and do that. Max, review, shield. Submit a transaction, 0.1598. Here it is right here, guys. Going from transparent to orchard. That's why it shows the negative value going into the orchard shielded pool. And as soon as this confirms, the last step is to send it to our mobile wallet. All right, guys, looks like our transaction confirmed. New activity. We're gonna head back. And let's go into our shielded wallet. Oops, accounts. There we go. 0 blocks behind. We do have a pending balance, so it looks like we need to wait a certain amount of confirmations before this is credited to our shielded Brave browser wallet. All right, guys. Looks like our account has updated. And the last step that I'd like to do is send these funds, which are now in the Orchard pool, sitting on Brave browser. So let me just take a step back here. We started with funds in Ethereum on our Web3 wallet in Brave. We use near intents to swap them to a Zcash account, or to a Zcash address, transparent address, that's also in our web wallet from Brave. And we shielded that fund into Brave Wallet's new Shielded Zcash support, which supports Orchard. So now we can send our funds from an Orchard account to another Orchard account on mobile. And that's the last step. So I'm going to send it to one of my accounts. We're going to send all of this. Or actually, no. Let's send only some of it. Okay. And I want to add a memo too. These funds came from the ETH world via near intents, all using Brave. Confirm, sync. All right, see what happens, guys. I'll come back as soon as this transfers. Looks like we do have a transaction ID of ABBE, which we have right here, guys. Check it out. It's in the mempool. Notice how it's an orchard to orchard transaction. The only thing that it shows on screen is the fee of 20,000 Zats and an amount of 0.001. That's awesome.